Welcome back to Homeidea channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the breathtaking coast of Portugal to explore a stunning architectural masterpiece, the Comporta 107 Beach House by dEMM Arquitectura. Nestled amidst the serene pine forests and rice fields of Comporta, this modern beach house seamlessly blends with its natural surroundings. Inspired by the wild, deserted beaches of the region, the design replicates the beauty of the dunes and vegetation, creating a truly unique living experience. The house itself is a captivating composition of two distinct volumes. A warm wooden structure forms the base, grounded and inviting. Perched on top sits a sleek concrete volume, offering a touch of modern elegance. But the magic truly unfolds when you step inside. The architects have prioritized transparency, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. Expansive windows and open layouts allow natural light to flood the space, while carefully chosen patios on the ground floor bring the sand and vegetation right into the social areas. Imagine lounging in the living room, completely enclosed yet feeling completely connected to the outdoors. Sliding glass doors seamlessly open onto the patios, creating a truly indoor-outdoor living experience. To further emphasize this connection, the concrete upper floor is supported on just 2 points, eliminating the need for central columns. This creates a vast, open living space with unobstructed views of the pool and interior patios. It's a seamless blend of interior design and breathtaking nature. Stepping outside, you'll find meticulously designed terraces, balconies, and gardens. Lush vegetation, carefully chosen local species, extends the biophilic design philosophy outdoors. The materials used in these spaces complement the interior exposed concrete, textured wood, and natural stones, creating a sense of continuity and depth as the pine forest meets the dune vegetation. The oversized windows bathe the interior in natural light, further enhancing the connection with the outdoors. Take a dip in the inviting pool, surrounded by nature's beauty, or simply relax on a comfy sofa and soak in the stunning views. The architects at dEMM Arquitectura have truly outdone themselves with this project. The Comporta 107 Beach House is a testament to their commitment to sustainable design, seamless indoor-outdoor living, and creating a haven of tranquility amidst nature's embrace. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or simply a place to reconnect with nature, the Comporta 107 Beach House offers an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Homeidea channel for more architecture and design videos.